Hi, everyone. Welcome to the 1111 meditation. My name is Jackie. I'm a health coach with UK Health and Wellness. And joining me today is Eric from Work Life. Today, we are going to do about a 30-minute session using some different meditation techniques, all surrounded by the sense of appreciation and gratitude for all that we contribute to the university and all that everyone else contributes to the university, this sense of togetherness and unity and just celebrating even in the struggle. So, to begin, holding this intention of breathing in and breathing out, and even feeling the expansion of different circles around you, people that have made a difference in your life at the university. Maybe one person even comes to mind that you hope to see soon, or that you want to send a note to, an email, a text about how they contributed to your greatness. Take about 2 or 3 more breaths here. Trying to embody the sensation of gratitude and appreciation. Knowing that we're all in this together, we're all in the struggle, we're all in the celebration. And how can we contribute to this week to honoring more appreciation and gratitude for this experience, for this career, for the gifts that we are able to contribute at the University of Kentucky, whether we've been here for 6 months or 16 years. Now, keeping your eyes closed, Eric from Work Life is going to add to the meditation today.
Good morning, everybody. Continue just to breathe easily and naturally. I'm happy to be here for this together meditation. And in this meditation, imagine holding yourself and holding each other. Imagine us together collectively holding ourselves as a community. Allowing your belly to rise and fall with your breath. I'm one of 4 therapists in the Office of Work Life. And every day I'm amazed by the beautiful people who schedule to meet with me. I feel extremely privileged to be able to work at a university where there is such wonderful diversity in backgrounds, expertise, personalities, spirit. And when people come to me, they often are coming because they've experienced some kind of loss or hardship, or because they're going through some emotional or relationship difficulty. And I feel privileged because when they come to me and they reach out to me, we're able to connect during that time. We're able to experience some moments of togetherness. And I want to stress to everybody how important it is to Continue to check in on your family and your friends and your coworkers. And as important, equally important is to reach out to others when you're going through a difficult time. We know that the process of reaching out to others is healing. And so for the next 10 minutes, we are going to do some compassionate breathing. So continue to keep your eyes closed, breathe naturally. And with every in breath, imagine yourself breathing for yourself. And with every out breath, imagine yourself breathing out for the world. Breathing in for yourself and breathing out for the world. Sometimes it can be helpful to imagine a loving sensation with your in breath and a healing sensation with your out breath. Breathe in for yourself and breathe out for the world. And when you notice yourself thinking or your mind wandering, just smile at your thoughts and come back to your breath. You can just smile and say to yourself, thinking. Come back to your breath, and with every in breath, breathe in for yourself. And then with every out breath, breathe out for the world. In for yourself, out for the world, as we breathe collectively together, holding each other. And now I'm going to go silent and let us do this compassionate breathing until you hear a meditation bell. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly relax your attention and just allow yourself to feel collectively being held, all of us together, our hearts together. Keeping your eyes closed, I'm going to pass it back to Jackie to bring some loving kindness for each other, our wonderful UK community, and the world at large.
To close, let's bring our hands to our heart. And bring to your mind the goodness of you, maybe even a certain coworker, maybe your whole department, maybe a group of people at UK. Whatever or whoever comes to your mind, say to yourself, may we be happy. May we be healthy. May we be safe. May we live peacefully and at ease. As you breathe in that intention and you breathe out, pressing that intention with the goodness of your hands to your heart, sealing in the intention. And before you open your eyes, bring to your mind one way that you can contribute to helping someone feel appreciated today, this week, this year. Someone at UK that you could reach out to. And then one thing that you're thankful for about your current job, even if there's been lots of chaos and struggle, I know there's got to be one sweet thing you can bring to your mind to be grateful for. And once you've thought of it, keeping your gaze down, when you're ready, gently let your eyes blink open one time. And then on your next breath, blink a few more times to come back to the space around you, knowing that you're seated in the chair, being more aware of your environment, taking your hands down to your lap. Thank you all for joining today. May your week be full of appreciation for yourself and others. As always, all of us from UK Health and Wellness, we are here to support and encourage you in any way we can. So let us know how we can help. Take good care. Have a wonderful day.